You, yes, I'm talking to you, right? I know that you started Forex trading thinking that you're going to be making easy money, but turns out, I think we all of us know this at this point, it's not going to work like that. Yeah, we thought that Forex trading was a get rich quick scheme. So like, it's easy to make money. It's easy, simple to make money, right? And turns out after 3, 4 years, you haven't made anything yet, right? Yeah, this is so like about self-reflection, whatever I want to call it, video, but and also a so like a help. I want to help others, so like a guidance video, so that you just know the reality before you start forex trading, right? Yeah, most to start trading forex, thinking that you're going to be making a lot of money easily, sitting at your desk, whatever, just on your phone, on your laptop, and you're making easy money. I'm sorry to break this to you, but it's actually easier to lose money rather than making money when you're trading forex. Yeah, it's just one of those truths that's hard to swallow, but it's actually true, right? Take me for example. Of course, when I started, I always thought that after 1 year, I would have bought maybe a car, a house, or anything, right? But turns out actually, most people, the most thing that is so like one thing that you can actually even buy from forex trading is just a phone, and otherwise you can't surpass that, right? It's it's just that we came to this industry thinking that maybe it's going to be easy to make money, but it's not that easy. It's not as easy as people think, right? And of course, this doesn't apply to everyone, but I'm talking about the vast majority. Even if you check the statistics, it shows that about 90 something percent of traders are actually losing, right? As for me, I'm actually lucky. Let's say lucky. I'm not lucky as such because I'm sure I'm also calculated along the losing people, but I'm still like at break even, right? Maybe slightly above profit, right? Slight profit, because if I make 100, 200 bucks from forex trading, eventually I lose 100 or something like that. But yeah, of course, I actually make money from forex trading, but it's so like at an equilibrium. The same rate that you make money is also close to the same rate that you're losing money, right? So I haven't been able to actually cross over to the other side. But yeah, I know. As for me, I know that is I still have a little bit work to do on on the discipline side, on the emotion side, and then maybe because there's nothing guaranteed in the forex market, and I think that you also know this, but there's nothing guaranteed in the forex market, right? You can actually persevere for years and you don't have anything that you can actually have to show for it, because yeah, it's one of those things that's so like it's hard to accept, because forex trading is so like it gives you some so like this hope that one day it's going to work out. Maybe next week it's going to work out. Maybe if I fund again, it's going to work out. Because it's not like you are very bad at trading, but the emotion. I'm sure that for most of the traders, it's actually the emotions and the lack of skill or sticking to one strategy or trying the same thing over and over again until you get used to that thing, right? So yeah, it's actually hard for us to cross over to the other side, to the 5, 10%, whatever it is, right? And though it might work out, but just be ready to accept the truth that it might not work out. Maybe you might have to give up. Maybe, especially if you're on the losing end, maybe you might have to give up, right? And I hope that, and I thank God that I so like I'm not among this group, but I don't fund if I'm not able to fund that money, right? So what do I say? What do I mean? How do I explain what I'm saying? But when you are trading, right? Some people have so like this. They don't. Whenever they receive money, right? This the first thing that they think about is funding their forex trading account. But I highly discourage against that. First of all, when you get that what when you receive money and get your money, first cover all the expenses, right? Cover all your expenses, rent, whatever it is, food, groceries, everything. And even buy whatever it is that you want to eat or whatever it is that you like at that time, rather than saying, I want to buy maybe shoes or something like that. But let me just fund it so that maybe I can grow to something like what. Don't make that mistake. Do whatever it is that you want to do at that time, at that specific time, whatever you feel like. And then if there's the remainder of the remainder, right? Because you also have to keep some money for yourself and in case of emergency or anything like that. But the remainder of the remainder, that's so like money that you don't. Yeah, of course, it's rare for you to get money that you don't want to use, right? But it should be so like the remainder of the remainder after you've covered everything else, right? That money, that's what you can find in the forex account, trading account. Yeah. So this was also like what reflection video, whatever it is, or a motivation to myself. I don't even know. And by the way, never mind my mic hold. I'm actually using a nail cutter right now. As you can see, it's quite flexible, right? I can even do this, right? But yeah, whatever. Yeah, remember, you're the bridge. You are the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. So do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it.